Hello students, I am Anurag Misra and in this video we shall read English of standard 11 and today's topic is tense. So my first question is what is tense? So many of you will give different answer. Let me explain it in very short way. So all of us must be knowing what is verb. You know very well verbs are the words that denote action, possession, or state. And simply, verbs are called action words. Action word means, for example, if I tell read, reading action, playing, running. So verbs are action words, or verbs are the words that denote action, possession, or state. And let me tell you, students, verb has magic in the sense that verb can change its forms. And if you know that there are many people who change its form, who change his or her form. For example, if I am teaching you, at present I am a teacher. If I'll go home, then I'll be a common simple person. So in the same way, if we'll talk about verb also change its forms, and verb changes forms in many ways. In the Let me tell you one more example. You know Hanumanji, God, my favorite. He can also change his form. Sometimes he can become a small, sometimes he can become so large. So here verb change its form on different condition. If verb change its forms according to time, if verb change its form according to time, then it is called tense. So here question comes, what is tense? The changing form of verb according to time is called tense. Let me give you example. We are reading now. We are reading tense now. And I have taught many students earlier also. Then I can say I taught tense, I am teaching tense, and in future also I shall teach tense. Just pay attention. I am teaching, I was teaching, and I shall be teaching. So here verb is changing. Was past, am teaching present, shall be teaching future. So here verb is changing according to time. So the changing form of verb according to time is called tense. So according to time, there are three kinds of tense. One is present tense, second is past tense, and third is future tense. And present tense has been divided into four parts. Past tense too has been divided into four parts, and future tense too has been divided into four parts. I am going so quick because we are in 11th, and you must have heard these words in earlier classes also. So tense, changing a verb according to time is called tense. Three parts of tense. Present has four parts, past has four parts, and future has four parts. Let me tell you here, verb can change its forms according to subject and object also. Verb has power to change its form according to subject or object. And when verb changes forms according to subject or object, then this condition is called voice. You must have heard what is voice. So changing form of verb according to subject or object in a sentence is called voice. And let me tell you, if I write here, he eats curd. Here verb is according to subject. He eats, we eat, they eat. So verb is changing according to subject. Same sentence, same sense. If I write in other way, that curd is eaten by him, sense is same, but here verb is according to subject, and here verb is according to object. So here verb has changed according to two form, first form and second form. So when verb change its forms according to subject or object, it is called voice. So there are two types of voice. When the verb is according to subject, it is called active voice, and when verb is according to object, it is called passive voice. And now we shall study tense one by one.